Welcome back, friends. So this video and next video we will be focusing on remainder theorem. Okay. See, we had seen division of numbers in the 8th standard, right? We had seen long division method to find square roots, and even prior to that we know how to divide two numbers. Similarly, we can divide two polynomials as well. Let us take, for example, one polynomial px equal to 3x squared plus x plus 1, right? And assume that we have to divide it by x plus 1. See, the polynomial is p of x equal to x squared, 3x squared plus x plus 1. We are going to divide 3x squared plus x plus 1 with x plus 1. Okay. So, like how you will divide a larger number by a smaller number, you write 3x square plus x plus 1 and then you put the division sign and you put x plus 1. Now, I will teach you how to divide. Please keep a paper and a pen with you. Please write it down as I instruct you. Okay. So, first you write 3x square plus x plus 1. Put the division sign and the divisor is x plus 1. So, 3x squared plus x plus 1 is the dividend, and the divisor is x plus 1. Okay. So, the first term of this polynomial is 3x squared. Okay. You divide the first term of the polynomial with the first term of the divisor, right? See, prior to dividing, you make sure that you are combining the like terms in the polynomial and you rearrange the terms in the descending order of the exponents. Okay. See, in this particular example, already it is in the descending order, right? So, we said 3x square plus x plus 1. So, it is in the descending order. The exponents are in the descending order. Okay. So, x square is the larger exponent. So, it is the first term, then x, then the constant. Similarly, you are dividing it with x plus 1, which is a linear polynomial, right? So, the first term will be the higher exponent term. In a linear polynomial, you will have the exponent of x as only 1, right? So, you will have the divisor in the form x plus 1 or x minus 1 or x plus a in general. Okay. So, let us come back to our specific question. 3x squared plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1. You take the first term 3x squared, divide by x. What will you get? You get 3x. Put it as a quotient, 3x. The first term of the quotient is 3x. Now multiply 3x with x plus 1. So you multiply the quotient with x plus 1. So what you get? 3x into x is 3x squared. 3x into 1 is equal to 3x. Right? So write it below like terms. Right? You have 3x squared plus x plus 1. So below 3x squared you write 3x squared, and below x you write plus 3x. Now you subtract. So what do? You change the sign. Right? For the second row you change the sign. Right? So 3x squared becomes minus 3x squared and 3x will become minus 3x. So you will have to, when subtracting 3x squared, right? 3x squared and 3x squared will get cancelled out. So after changing the sign, we are just adding it, right? Okay. So 3x squared, you have minus 3x squared. When you add it, it becomes 0. And you have x on top, and then you have minus 3x. So when you add it, it becomes minus 2x. Now bring down the constant 1. Okay. So the new term becomes minus 2x plus 1 Okay, take the first term, which is minus 2x, divide by x, you get minus 2, put it in the quotient. Now the quotient becomes 3x minus 2. Now take minus 2, multiply with x plus 1, because that is a new quotient that you just now put. Okay, so take minus 2, multiply with x plus 1. You get minus 2x minus 2. Change the sign, it becomes plus 2x and plus 2. Add it, 2x will get cancelled out. You will get 3 as the remainder. Okay, so this is how you should divide a polynomial. I will repeat one more time. Our polynomial is 3x squared plus x plus 1. We are dividing it by a linear polynomial x plus 1. Okay, so the given polynomial is 3x squared plus x plus 1. We are dividing it by x plus 1. Before division, ensure that the given polynomial is rearranged based on the descending order of the exponent, and if there are like terms, combine the like terms. Okay, so now the given polynomial that we are considering in this example is 3x squared plus x plus 1. Put the division symbol. You have x plus 1 as the divisor. Take 3x squared, divide it by x. You get 3x. Put it in the quotient, 3x. Now multiply 3x with x plus 1 and write it below the polynomial. First two terms of the polynomial. We get 3x squared plus 3x. So to subtract, we have to change the sign, right? So the lower row becomes minus 3x squared, right? Minus 3x, right? The upper row is 3x squared plus x. Now add these two. 3x squared minus 3x squared becomes 0. Plus x minus 3x becomes minus 2x. Bring down the constant 1. It becomes minus 2x plus 1. Divide minus 2x with the x. You get minus 2. Put it in the quotient. Right? You put minus 2 in the quotient. Multiply minus 2 with x plus 1. You get minus 2x minus 2. Right? Change the sign. Becomes plus 2x plus 2. Add it. The 2x will get cancelled out. And you will get 1 plus 2 equal to 3. So you have quotient as 3x minus 2. The divisor as x plus 1. The remainder is 3. Now in this example, right, you will be able to write the given polynomial 3x squared plus x plus 1 in the form quotient into divisor plus remainder. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. Right? Quotient here is 3x minus 2 into x plus 1 plus the remainder is 3 plus 3. You solve this, you will get the polynomial. It is very similar as in the case of dividing numbers. Let us take two numbers. 19 divided by 6. Okay. 19 divided by 6. 3 6 are 18. You get remainder as 1. So how can you write 19? 19 is equal to 3 into 6 plus the remainder 1. Quotient into divisor plus the remainder. This is true even for a polynomial. So when you divide a polynomial by another polynomial, you can write the first polynomial as the product of quotient into divisor plus the remainder. Okay, quotient into divisor plus remainder. In this format, you can even write in the case of a polynomial. Okay, so until this step, you please understand very clearly. Okay, and whatever we are talking, this division is applicable only in the case of a linear divisor, linear polynomial which happens to be a divisor. So the divisor has to be a linear polynomial. then we can apply this particular method. If it is a quadratic polynomial, if the divisor is a quadratic polynomial, right, this method will not work. That we are not covering right now, but in the case of linear polynomial, this divisor will work. Okay, so this is the method for when you divide a polynomial with a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial is a polynomial with a degree 1. Okay, so we will introduce remainder theorem in our next video, right? Until then, you please wait, please go through these videos, right? If you have any doubt, please send us an email to askmentorguru@gmail.com. Signing off. Until the next video is uploaded is yours truly, TK Sridhar. Please wait.